In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink remove Mailchimp from Pipedrive. If you've connected Mailchimp to your Pipedrive account in the past, but you're no longer using it, or you want to switch to a different tool, it's a good idea to fully disconnect that integration. This helps keep your workspace clean, avoids confusion for your team, and can prevent data from syncing where you don't want it to. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps to remove Mailchimp from Pipedrive, and I'll explain what you're doing at each part so nothing feels confusing. Start by opening your Pipedrive account and looking over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical panel with icons. Near the bottom of that panel, find the icon with 3 small dots. This is essentially the More menu in Pipedrive, and it's where you'll access additional tools and settings. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. When you click it, a menu will open up. From that menu, look for the option labeled Marketplace. This is the section where you can discover, install, and manage apps that connect to Pipedrive, including Mailchimp. Click on Marketplace to open it. Once you're inside the Marketplace, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see an option called Manage Installed Apps. This is where Pipedrive shows you all of the apps that are currently connected to your account. Click on Manage Installed Apps to open that list. In the list of installed apps, look for Mailchimp. If you have several integrations connected, you might need to scroll a bit or use the search field, but once you locate Mailchimp, click on it. This will open the details page for the Mailchimp integration, where you'll see information about the app and the connection to your Pipedrive account. On this page, you'll see an option to uninstall. Click Uninstall to start removing the Mailchimp integration. Pipedrive may show you a confirmation message just to make sure you really want to proceed, since uninstalling can stop any future syncing or activity between the 2 tools. If you're sure you want to disconnect Mailchimp, click Uninstall again to confirm. After that, Mailchimp will be unlinked from your Pipedrive account, and you should no longer see it listed among your installed apps.